The main point of this Trestle table design is not only to have of course, a beautiful table, but also a table that can be assembled and disassembled very quickly and very conveniently for transport. So as you can see, the top here is divided in two halves, and I decided to have this kind of oval shaped gap here, which some people find it a little bit uncomfortable and surprising, but as you get to use it, it feels really good and there's no problem at all. And this way we can have a split top, which is much easier to handle and to move on and off, because as you can see here, I have some stones underneath. And that's because I like to take this down and sit on the floor sometimes. So I wanted a table that can give me this convenience of assembly and disassembly very quickly with a few tools only. It was made from chestnut, the top, and the base is made in oak. And this is purely because it was the materials I had available. That was a prototype. And so you will see there are many voids filled out with epoxy resin, the kind of thing you wouldn't do in fine furniture, in my taste at least. But this is mainly almost reclaimed timber. So let's take these down now, and you will see it's rather easy. First of all, I need to undo these metric 6 screws. Look at this. You can see there are some interesting curves through the trestle. And there are 2 hex bolts. And now I can take this apart without any effort, and it will sit anywhere behind the door, no problem. So as you can see, it doesn't take much space once taken apart. Now this is the base. Now you can see better the trestle, the holes here, the clearance holes. And of course, the diameter of these holes takes into account issues with cross grain and wood movement. Twin mortise and tenons, pegged drawboard, and the base has also knockdown joinery, which is very, very easy. You only need a mallet or anything you have actually to hit, and that's already free. As you can see, we go from rock solid to wobbly in just one tap. And now we can take this apart, and as you can see, it's easy to handle. I'll just leave it here for now. And this one. And these stones here make the base for my other table, which I really enjoy using, which consists only on one plank here, just like this. And now I have an excellent surface in which I can do my business here, have a coffee, have some tea, enjoy drinks with friends. And I really like this height and the atmosphere it creates. It's a completely another way of enjoying space, sitting on the floor. So as you can see, this is the most unrefined piece of furniture I can possibly show you. It's just a plank on 2 rocks, and that's everything. It's the worst piece of furniture I've ever made, and yet I love it, and yet it's in a way superior to anything else for some reason. And I just love to, to play around with these 2 heights. I love my trestle table. I use it for everyday life in many, many situations. I also love eating here at this level once you get used to this. And yeah, so this is one of the many pieces of furniture I want to show you. So stay tuned. In this playlist you will see every week we're gonna be uploading more of them.